So how to use Barclays for contactless mobile payments. So to use your Barclays debit card for contactless payments, you'll need to add your Barclays debit card to your phone. So if you go onto the Barclays app and then click through to cards, click on the card, and then once you've done that, you should get the option to add it to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Then once you've clicked on Apple Wallet, you'll get this page here, and you'll just want to select Next to add card to Apple Wallet. Then from there, you'll just be asked to approve the terms and conditions, and if you agree, click Agree. And then once you've done that, you'll get notification your card has been added, and you'll also be able to save it as your default as well. And then once you've done that, you should see the card sitting in your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, and you can go ahead and start using contactless payments from your phone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks again for watching.